octopuses can be seen as either soulful, smart beings or the stuff of deep-sea nightmares, depending on who you ask. They are frequently portrayed in fiction as slimy, eight-armed monsters with a predatory attitude. But if you get to know these cephalopods a bit better, you'll see that they are utterly fascinating creatures despite their alien appearance. Here are 10 facts you may have yet to learn about octopuses. Number 1. Octopus arms have a mind of their own. The abilities of the octopus are out of this world. It can modify its genes, solve challenges, and even change its appearance. In addition, their arms think and act independently. A recent study has uncovered the inner workings of these mini-brains. More than half of the octopus's 500 million neurons are located outside the main brain. The octopus possesses a larger brain in addition to the 8 smaller mini-brains in its arms, which are responsible for coordinating movement. The octopus's unusual biology has been well known to scientists for quite some time. Experiments have demonstrated that severed octopus arms may still reach, grab, and even try to transport food toward a non-existent mouth an hour after being disconnected from the brain. Number 2. Octopus have 3 hearts. The 3 hearts of an octopus all have different functions. One circulates blood throughout the body, while the other 2 supply blood to the gills. Their blood's peculiar makeup is likely responsible for their special cardiac hardware. In contrast to the red blood cells of vertebrates, which contain iron-rich hemoglobin, the blue blood of octopuses, tarantulas, scorpions, and horseshoe crabs comes from the hemocyanin dissolved in the blood. When compared to hemoglobin, hemocyanin is a subpar oxygen carrier. The 3 hearts aid in making up for this by pumping blood at a higher pressure all around the body to fuel the octopus's active lifestyle. Number 3. Male octopuses don't seem to live past the mating phase. After mating, male octopuses starve to death because they lose their appetite, coordination, and ability to repair wounds in the wild. Secretions from the optic gland stimulate the reproductive organs while deactivating the salivary and digestive glands, producing a loss of appetite and eventual famine near the end of life, known as senescence. The average lifespan of an octopus is only 1 to 4 years. The optic gland regulates reproduction and lifespan in response to environmental stimuli, including light, temperature, and nutrition. Is fascinating because it acts like a self-destruct system. Most octopus species are semilparous, which only reproduce once before dying. Another marine organism that reproduces through a sperm-embryo union is the salmon. Number 4. They are expert users of disguise. Although commonly thought of as cephalopods, octopuses are mollusks, making them related to snails and other shellfish. Octopuses are widely regarded as among the most intelligent of all known invertebrates. They have soft bodies, which allow them to change form as needed. This facilitates their ability to hunt, conceal, and escape predators or even their cages, as they can enter and exit tight and tough location. Octopuses can alter their coloration, including hiding from predators and signaling to potential mates. Number 5. Female octopus risk their life for their offspring. Many parents make significant sacrifices for their children, but very few will risk their own life to protect their progeny. Sadly, a female octopus' final act will be to care for her eggs. A female octopus can lay up to 400,000 eggs, which is a magnificently sad act of self-sacrifice. She devotes her entire existence to safeguarding the eggs from the moment she lays them, day and night, even foregoing food. Although most octopus eggs hatch after at least 5 months, researchers have seen a deep-sea octopus guard her eggs for almost 4.5 years. The female octopus will die as soon as her eggs have been successfully hatched. Number 6. clever enough to make use of many implements. It was formerly believed that only vertebrates have the intelligence necessary to use tools. Contrary to popular belief, some octopuses have been seen carrying coconut shell halves like a mobile home and putting them together when they need a place to live. The employees at the aquarium surely aren't shocked. Captive octopi are known to solve problems, unlock containers, and even devise cunning escape plans. Number 7. They occasionally construct cities below the surface. Located off the coast of eastern Australia, the Octopus Metropolis was discovered in 2017 and given the catchy moniker Octlantis by the scientists who made the discovery. The gloomy octopus, long assumed to be a solitary creature, was found to be quite social. The researchers observed 15 octopuses living in close quarters, conversing with one another, and even expelling individuals from their dens, all of which are complicated social activities. It was the second city of its kind to be discovered in the region after Octopolis in 2009. Number 8. They are armed with a wide array of clever defensive maneuvers. Picture yourself as an octopus that's being attacked. If you're being stalked despite your best camouflage efforts, you might always resort to the traditional decoy tactic of cutting off an arm and letting it crawl away on its own. Believe it or not, octopuses can do this and regrow the arm, as you probably now know. Their ink can also serve as a weapon. When sprayed into the water, the predator's sense of sight and smell is diminished. Number 9. They can heal lost limbs. Because of the complex neural networks and mini brains in each tentacle, octopuses can regrow complete appendages. Undifferentiated stem cells are the foundation of healing, giving rise to specialized cell types like the nerve and muscle cells that make up a new arm. The regrown limbs are entirely functional and feel just like the original ones. Number 10. They can be deadly. The blue-ringed octopus, native to Australia, is among the most poisonous marine creatures on the planet. Despite its small size, only 5 to 8 inches, a single octopus can contain enough venom to kill 26 adult humans. The tetrodotoxin in their venom is 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide,